And the very next morning, he's back at the nest. He forms a nest scrape, a shallow depression for eggs to be laid in. This helps show female that the nest is perfect. And soon this hard work pays off. Apollo returns at speed call and excitedly. He heads in and seems to be expecting company. And soon a new female arrives. Apollo can barely contain himself, bowing up and down to greet her. This is Athena, and I can tell by a slightly gray tail. She's at least 3 years old. She checks out the young male before heading off.